Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So just want to say happy new year to you guys. I know I have been MIA, but as I said, guys, I have been out of internet from the 15th. I still have not received it, so most of the rest of my vlogmas videos you will get basically whenever it's back, so which will be this year, which is 2020. Welcome, guys, to the 2020 vlogs. This year is gonna be awesome, hoping. Yes. So yes, guys, so again, I just want to say sorry for the vlogs not being out and such like that, but just want to give you guys a recap of what happened since this year. So I just have like small clips and stuff like that, so let's get into it.
Happy New Year from us.
Happy New Year
to you.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Hey Shani, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Any wishes for the new year?
I wish I find a husband.
Not to go
Just joking.
Not to go Come with me. What are your wishes for the new year?
That Shani tap gear trouble.
No, I want to hear it from her.
I haven't made one.
Alright, my wish for the new year, I don't even know.
No wish yet.
I don't know yet.
God keep me here. Sure.
I think I need. I want house.
Mommy can't let it for give my tap ready message me.
I wasn't even looking at it.
So yes, guys, just got back from church.
Giving me wrong.
We had a little brunch. I had some orange juice and some cheese. Not a good combination for persons with migraine. Not eat neither cheese nor orange juice, but oh well. But anyways, Shanique over here sending out. Well, she'll play a game as usual. Jeez, you couldn't send out message for you first. So yes, we're tired because we just come from church. It is like about 1:30, but about the time they know. So we're gonna go head to bed. So you guys will see us tomorrow. Bye.
So I will be going to see my uncle today, and we won't be coming back till tomorrow. So we're vlogging today. So I just got up. Yes, still puffy right now. So I need to get up, get breakfast, get ready, and be ready by like 1. It's about 9 something. Yeah. Hey guys, we have arrived. We're in Senti at my uncle's. Why?
Because they want to go.
Oh, yeah.
Next week.
So yes, guys, we are in a place in St.Elizabeth. I don't know what name. Yeah, Black River. But we don't know what the place name.
Shanika look for a sign. Miss, we look sign for reaching. Oh, we never see it. Alright guys, so just found out the place's name is Croggy's. Yes.
Because
So we've ordered our fish, we get my juice, and I drink Malta Cider. Yeah. We're at the beach side and we find out so there are crocs in the ocean. So not because now we're the crocs, yeah, but yeah, it's in the ocean. So we have to be careful. Hey guys, so yeah, me know me look sweaty and all, but good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. It's the weekend vlog guys. It's gonna be late, we're back to vlogging. Still trying to get the videos up, so yeah, when you guys get this you'll get this, so sorry. Give me one moment in time. What that for? Sure. Who, daddy? What's that, daddy? Sit down.
We can't sit down straight. Like how people sit down. We can't sit down straight.
Why?
I don't know. I never myself do.
I turn up lean because my body lean already, so
I don't never catch up myself.
I was a fair lean for a while. I need support.
Yeah.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. No, I didn't hear. So we about to leave to go to church. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, later. I'll see you guys later.